How long does it take you to create a blog post? 4 hours? 6 hours? What if I told you that you could create a complete, detailed blog outline in just 2 minutes using this one ChatGPT prompt? This is day 3 of my daily free business prompts. Yesterday was social media content. Today it's blog writing. And tomorrow there will be another prompt. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do right now so you don't miss a single day. I'm giving away valuable business prompts completely free. Stay until the end to see the full prompt that you can screenshot and use immediately. Let me ask you something. Do you need to create blog content? Bloggers, business owners, content marketers, they all do. And creating good blog posts is exhausting. You sit down with a blank page, you have no idea how to structure it. Should you start with a story? A statistic? What should the sections be? You spend 2 hours just planning the outline, then you spend 4 more hours writing. That's 6 hours for one post. And most people aren't even charging for their blog content. They're doing it for free, hoping it brings traffic. Here's what this costs you. If you spend 6 hours per blog post and you need to create 4 posts per month, that's 24 hours per month. That's 288 hours per year. If you charge $50 per hour, that's $14,400 per year in wasted time. And content creators and agencies charge $300 to $1,000 per blog post. So you're essentially giving away $1,200 to $4,000 per post. What if you could create detailed, professional blog outlines in 2 minutes? What if you could then write the full blog post from that outline in 1 hour? That changes everything. There's a ChatGPT prompt that does exactly this. It turns ChatGPT into a professional blog strategist. You just tell it what your blog topic is, and it creates a complete outline with structure, hooks, and everything you need. Here's the exact prompt. I'm showing this on screen for the next 90 seconds so you can screenshot it or write it down. This is all you need. You fill in the blog title and target audience, and ChatGPT creates the entire structure for you. Let me show you how this works in real ChatGPT. Let me show you a real example. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a blog outline about how to start an AI business in 30 days for entrepreneurs. Watch how detailed and useful this outline is. Look at this outline. It has a power word title. It has a hook that makes people want to read it. It has 7 detailed sections with descriptions so you know exactly what to write in each section. It has key takeaways. And it has a conclusion with a call to action. This outline is ready to write from. You could write the full blog post in 1 hour using this, instead of spending 6 hours on the entire thing. Now here's the money angle. Freelance writers charge $300 to $1,000 per blog post. Content agencies charge $1,500 to $5,000 per blog post. With this prompt, you can create blog outlines and posts faster than anyone else. You could offer blog writing services. Charge $500 to $1,000 per blog post. Write 10 blog posts per month using this system. That's $5,000 to $10,000 per month in revenue. Or offer it as a retainer. Charge $2,000 per month to write 4 blog posts per month for a business. Have 10 clients at $2,000 each. That's $20,000 per month. Here's what's important. This is day 3. I've given you email prompts, social media prompts, and now blog prompts. And I'm doing this every single day, all free. All designed to help you make money. But I need your help. If this video is valuable, please like it. Please subscribe. And please share this channel with someone who needs to see this. The more people who know about these daily prompts, the better. Comment below, telling me what prompt you want to see tomorrow. I read every single comment, and I'm creating these based on your requests. And if you want 500 more prompts beyond these daily ones, I have them all organized at sprintwithai.com. But the daily prompts here on this channel are completely free. Thanks for watching. Screenshot that blog outline prompt right now. Use it to create your first blog outline today. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with day 4's prompt. Thanks.